Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this black chandelier that I got sent out for review. Let me tell you that this looks really amazing. It is a black crystal chandelier and you can have it and it needs 12 light bulbs, and the good news is that it's really nice. You can see that it's really elegant and modern. And the bad news is that you need to put it together. So it will take a little bit of time to install it, okay? So these that I'm showing you right now are all the crystals that you need to set up. So there are two sizes. One is smaller than the other one, but they're fairly easy to put here. Okay, so this is everything that it includes in the box. The first thing that we are going to do for the installation is, of course, setting up the ceiling part, which is our mounting plate. Okay, so here you need to make sure that you have installed this very good. You need to make sure that you have properly installed or set up the line with line, and also the neutral cables as well. And here you cover the cables so it doesn't keep any shock on it. Now, first, for the mounting base, you have to install or pass these cables through this part right here in this mounting base. Okay, so you have to pass these through here and make sure that it's at the right distance that you want the chandelier to be. So the longer you want it, the longer the cable will be. Okay, if you want it shorter, you have to pull this cable a little bit more. Okay, and the light cable that you're gonna use, it's actually like clear or transparent, and it looks right here. You can set it up in each and any of those like metal cables. Okay, now here are the crystals. As you can see, they look really nice, but they are also a little bit fragile, so just make sure that you are doing it very carefully. Okay, so here, as you can see, we are installing this plastic or rubber band that goes in the middle, and this will help the crystals to stay put and actually hold themselves right whenever you are installing them. So here you can see that we are passing them through the upper side like so, and there are two sets of crystals that you are going to install. First, the ones that are in the outer part, and then the ones that are in the inside part. Okay, so it is really firm. It looks really amazing and gorgeous. You can see that the crystals can be seen on the lower part and also on the upper side. Okay, so this is the cable that I was telling you. The light cable goes through the ceiling, and we connected it or put it a little bit along to the one of the other cables, so you can choose to do so as well. Here is how it looks turned on, and this is with the other lights that I had on the kitchen turned off. And it doesn't include the light bulbs, but this is how it looks. As you can see, there's a really nice shape on the ceiling that this crystal is giving it. So it's really nice, elegant, and amazing. I really love how it looks. It is very stable, and at the beginning I thought that it was going to be really heavy, but it actually gives it a very nice look to our kitchen. It looks super elegant and modern at the same time. You really have to be a little bit patient when putting it together, but I feel like it is totally worth it. It looks gorgeous and amazing.